Leeway mainly focuses on A-type full automatic chicken cage system, H-type full automatic chicken cage system, and other related supporting equipment, environmental control system, cooling fan and pad, automatic feeding system, egg collecting system, ventilation system, with an annual production capacity of more than 1 million sets. The main products of Leeway are A-type and H-type automatic caged equipment. A-type equipment features the mature technology, easy operation, energy conservation, labor and feed saving, which greatly improve the breeding rate, decrease the ratio of feed to egg, and has a better ventilation as well. H-type automatic caged equipment has high level of automation and labor cost saving, which effectively decreases the contact rate between man and livestock, avoid cross-infection, and reduce the disease infect. Supporting a high degree of automation equipment, stable working of the feeding machine and belt conveyor of the manure removal system, which is environmental friendly and could improve the reuse of manure. Both the cage treatment adopt the electrostatic spraying, which has the feature of anti-corrosion, lower egg breakage rate, and longer lifespan. Customer could choose the proper equipment according to their needs, fully meet their various farming needs.